so scared. Abang, I go to you. We want to touch that. Sorry. He's so scared. Hi guys, ako si Rhea, isang OFW dito sa Malaysia, and welcome to my vlog.
You have to tie fast because they want to go, ma. If you no tie,
The legs are
he tie because they going to go. So he stay there fast. Later, take him. Somebody want your wife.
That one is the tusk.
That one is so big, oh. Ay, that one is this what, oh? It's like teeth, no? Tusk. You there, what? The one there, sungay guys, is so big. See, I think that one is the old one because he got like that. So big.
That one also one.
Another one also got. Just like walking so slowly, guys, because if elephant also want to run, then we fly away. It's done. Not yet. Drink water, guys. Oh.
Okay, see. Whoa, go! Whoa!
I want him to drink water because I think he's tired. Is an hours on that? The three of them also got. I think this one is the baby elephant. Yeah.
It's baby. No, like riding. Small baby. Look.
Guys, we're going back now because the elephant is tired.
His brother.
This one is his one, maybe not. Because I know his children, no? The mama. Mama elephant and the baby elephant. They're so cute.
They're so cute.
Just like a cow, right? Then he becomes so big. Ayush is so carried. We're going to feed the elephants. Okay. Tricky didn't ride just now because Tricky's scared, so we're going to feed it. Tricky, feed the elephants. Hi! Come on, Tricky. Hi! Sige, give him.
Let's go. Hey,
Lulu, anak.
don't throw the floor.
Hoy, give the small one. The small one to Ton. The small one because the baby na hungry. Come on, Ayush. Sige. Ton, give Ayush one. Oh. Hi. Ayush. Ah. Give Tricky one. Oh. Give to the baby. The one? Give Uni. Sige. Okay. Ah! Give to the mama. Give to the mama. Sige. How many left? I give to the baby one. I can feed the elephant.
Okay, I do that
Dadah.
pani mo guys. Do pani. Sana.
I'm also scared. Abang, I go to you. We want to touch that.
Okay, sorry.
He's so scared.